Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. This gets you where the iPhone keeps its shortcuts. Next, pick the features you use most: VoiceOver, Magnifier, Assistive Touch, or others, so the shortcut will toggle what matters. Once done, scroll to the bottom and tap Accessibility shortcut, then tap each feature you want included. Make sure you understand which gestures control those features, because the shortcut will cycle through only the items you see. Now you'll configure the visible accessibility button using Assistive Touch. Enable Assistive Touch in Accessibility Touch, which places a floating button on your screen. You can move it where it's easiest to reach. Tap Customize top-level menu to add actions like Home, Lock Screen, or Custom Gestures, then assign them. Once you finish, adjust idle opacity and set single tap, double tap, or long press to perform the exact action you want when you tap the button. Finish by testing everything. Triple-click the side or home button to invoke your accessibility shortcut and confirm it cycles through chosen features. Then tap the Assistive Touch button to exercise single, double, and long press behaviors and move it to a comfortable corner. If the button doesn't behave as expected, restart your iPhone and try again. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings or reassign actions to rule out configuration conflicts. That troubleshooting step usually fixes common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.